audio Polani. Can I help you?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. This is Louis Winthorpe III. I have a problem with my car alarm. One of you can help me.
I don't know. यहाँ पे switch यहाँ पे and the small switch has in the dashboard. It off. It is off alarm. The switch going in the car.
Yeah. When I open the car.
And the one switch has a small has a here. This light has a small switch and the dashboard and they go to take off.
Yeah.
That's
Precisely.
It.
Is that the Swedish chef from the Muppets? Yeah, hello, it's Louis Winthorpe III.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a problem with the car alarm.
Yes.
Yeah, what am I doing wrong? Every time I put the key in the door, the alarm goes off like so. You hear that?
Yes.
What am I doing wrong?
What are you doing wrong? You gotta hit the button on the remote first for your alarm.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Look, watch. Okay?
Yeah, like that. So what are you doing turning off?
As soon as I close the door, it goes off. So I open the door, watch. Yeah, that does it again. You see? Close the door.
Yeah. Well, I don't know, sir. I don't know how to help you with that right there. You got me there.
Why don't I just pull the wire out the back?
Pull the wire out the back?
Yeah, under the dashboard, the wiring inside the car.
Yeah.
If I pull the wiring out...
You should have a switch in there. Put the key in the ignition and hit the switch.
I'm going to try and pull the wire out.
Well, be careful. If you pull the wires, you really ain't going to be able to start the car.
But surely if I pull the wires, that's going to stop the alarm going off, yeah?
Maybe, maybe not.
Hold on there.
Okay.
The goddamn car blew up.
The car blew up? So you better call the fireman.
Why you tell me to pull the wires out, asshole?
You better call the fireman now.
My car's a wreck because of you.
Because of me?
Yeah, you told me go ahead, you said pull the wire out.
No, I didn't.
My car's a wreck now because of you numbnuts.
Yeah?
You asshole.
You got funny.